The persistent door ajar warning on your Ford F-150 keeps the body control module awake, draining your battery overnight. To fix this instantly, flush the mechanical door latch with penetrating oil and compressed air to free the stuck micro-switch. This drain occurs because the tiny sensor-detecting door closure sits deep inside the latch. Over time, dust and old grease turn into sludge, physically jamming the switch open. Your truck thinks the door is open, preventing sleep mode. To perform this fix, open the door and locate the mechanical edge latch. Insert the straw of a penetrating fluid can directly into the opening, aiming upward. Spray generously into the mechanism to dissolve the hardened grime. Next, blast compressed air into that exact same spot to force out the dirty fluid. After blowing it out, aggressively open and close the door against the frame several times. This impact forces the micro-switch plunger back into position. Once the switch is freed, the door ajar warning will disappear. Your interior lights will automatically shut off, and your truck's modules will finally enter sleep mode, completely protecting your battery from dying overnight.